guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra, but you can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you will find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. If you like all these things more, please take the time to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that bell notification down below. Got the intro out of the way. I'm so excited for this video. It is the last day of Virgo season. This is part 2 of 12 for the Astrology Series. Let's give it up for the Virgos. One time for the Virgos. Where all my Virgos at? Where my Virgos at? Ladies, leave your man at home. I went with more of this look, some earth tones. I used sapphire, which is the color of the birthstone that I chose for Virgo, because you know you can kind of pick. There's a couple for each sign. Y'all know I was ready for summer to be over. It is fall, winter looks. I'm hip for it, I'm hyped for it, and I'm just so excited. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Well, so it looks like it's already end of Virgo season, and what better way to end it off than to chat about the Virgo. The Virgo. This sign be doing the most. First thing I'm gonna do is prime my lids per usual. Y'all know the drill. Same old, same old. So now we are ready to talk about Virgo, the maiden, the virgin. These are the names that they are known for, and the dates for that range from August 23rd to September 22nd, aka today. What better way to end off the season than to have a nice little Virgo look? Birthstone for this is, there's a bunch, but I'm gonna go with the sapphires. So that is the color that I'm going to be using for today's look. I'm gonna try to keep this look relatively simple because when I think of a Virgo, I think of a very meticulous and attention to detail type of person, and they just like it simple, clean, and perfect. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and go with this nice, pretty, dark, deep blue, and I'm gonna try to do what I can because I am going out tonight, so I gotta be a little party girl fun. I'm thinking about doing just a really easy Smokey Eye, but we'll see. This is just gonna be a nice good base for my black, and yes y'all, summer is over and I can dip into the black shadows now. I'm so happy. The Virgo is a feminine sign, and if you think about it, it just goes back and forth. So like last season was Leo season, that is a masculine sign. Virgo is a feminine sign, and then Libra is a masculine sign, and that is what's next in line. They are an earth sign, so they are very grounded and fixed into, if you think about what earth is, it's very grounded, it's very fixed. The best way that I think of describing like an earth sign is typically like a materialization of our desires and things that we want to accomplish. So typically earth signs are very capable and very able to get the things that they want accomplished, usually in their way. Wouldn't be a palette of mine if my daughter did not start to destroy it. I think I've used this palette maybe 2 or 3 times. It's the Anastasia Prism palette. I got it like just to have it, and then like I don't know why I've never used this palette since, but I really love it. I like re-looked at the colors and I was like, whoa. Keep all of my shadows nice and concise, because I'm not trying to get dragged by no Virgos out here for not having my makeup perfect. So they are a mutable sign. I like mutable signs, honestly. If you think about mutable signs, they are the signs that are always changing. So they are always either the beginning or an ending of a season. And as you know, today is literally the last day of summer, or it might be the first day of fall. I'm really bad at that, but it is a new season that is arising, and lo and behold, Virgo is right here to finish it out. Think of a mutable sign as, you know, the word mutable, it kind of changes and goes along with it. So this is what they typically do. Although they are the fixed earth sign, they are always kind of in a constant stage of trying to change or better themselves. They don't always do it, but they always have the intention to do it, right? Shade. And that's, you know, sometimes that's all that really matters is the intent behind things, right? Yeah, I'm gonna keep this look as simple as I can. I keep saying that. I think I'm trying to convince myself to do that, but I think I'm gonna add a little gold. Just a little gold. So let's go over some things that are arguably good traits about the Virgo, because I don't agree with some of these traits, but allegedly, you know, they're all good traits. Like I said earlier, Virgos are known for being rather meticulous, so it's very hard for them to miss out on details. Big, small, anything. Like, they're going to notice everything, which I can always appreciate. Like, I like people who pay attention to what's happening, what's going on around you, you know, not missing no major red flags, making sure that what's supposed to be getting done is getting done by any means. Like, get that done. That's not right. Fix it. So I agree with that. They're typically known for being rather practical, so they don't be living in la la land like the Pisces over here. Little fishies like to swim in their dreams all day, and it takes a while for them to come back down. But Virgos are typically the people who bring you back down to reality. Like, that's not practical. This is irrational. And this is also make-believe. Like, are you actually going off of what can really happen, or are you going off of what you want to happen that's very unrealistic? So that's something that I really be appreciating. Like, we stand a realistic, practical person. Just like the rest of their personality, they're also known for being rather reliable. So just like they're also able to pay attention to detail and things of that sort, they're typically known for being very reliable because they pay attention to what time I'm supposed to be there, what time did you need this done, what time. They're able to get that done because that's the way that their brains and their personalities work. So most of the time, as long as you don't have a bottom feeder Virgo, they're going to show up when they're supposed to. And that's something that anyone would want in a friend and in a person. I'm going to really make this nice and dark. Yes, y'all know I couldn't wait for the fall to pop through. Like, y'all was bullying me into them colorful looks. I even fake pretended that I liked color just for y'all. It was really hard for me. I'm going to clean this up over here. So don't be coming for me, Virgo. I know it's not clean. Along with their birthstone being sapphire, there's a bunch. Like, they actually can like go in with the same stone that like Leo uses, but I wasn't about to do the same color twice. But they're also usually linked with like earth tones as well, so that's why I'm trying to keep in like that gold, brown, dark color range. And we're gonna do like a nice little pop of blue. And when I tell you guys this is such an easy look to do, I'm trying to do easier looks. I got like a critique that like I be doing the most, which I'm a Scorpio, but you know, I'm trying to make it so that it's a little bit easier for you guys to follow and for you guys to recreate at home as well. Alright guys, I hope I'm in focus. I'm so sorry. I'm still just, I can do the editing, I can do all of that, but I just really struggle with the camera focusing and stuff like that. I know this is just so unprofessional. I'm so sorry, Virgo. Please don't block me. Please don't unfollow me, Virgos. I'm trying my best, sweetie, and that's what you guys should really focus on. But sis, we are blended. That's what we worried about. So yeah, one of the things that they really are known for is being a bit overcritical. I get it when you are a self-proclaimed perfectionist, but being very overcritical of people in general and what they do. So I feel like 9 times out of 10, if they have, unless they do it themselves, they're really not going to be happy. So don't even waste your time. Just let them do it themselves. Like, DIY this, sis. Do it yourself. But we don't have time for that, because you will mess around and get blocked over in these streets talking in the way that them Virgos be talking. I ain't got the time. They're also known for being relatively harsh when giving critiques, when speaking, things of that sort. And, you know, I don't really mind that. I don't mind a harsh person, well, I would say I don't mind a blunt person. I feel like sometimes Virgos be definitely OD. I'm like, okay, so there's a time and a place for this, sis, and this was not the time nor the place. And you didn't think that through before you made a big deal about something right now at this specific time during this event. Like, how you gonna bring up, you know what I think is funny? I didn't really like when, like, no, like the actual phrase I think is funny started with a Virgo, because they forever trying to fake bite their tongue and then bring it up at the worst time. Like right now at the wedding, this was the time to do this, right? Alright, so honestly, I'm not going to be doing much else with this look other than adding in this nice cute little line of color. We're filling it. Okay, leaving it at that. Another word that is often used with a Virgo is that, like, yeah, they're harsh and all these things, and they're also very, 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 very judgmental. Which doesn't go well with me because I'm a Scorpio. I'm very non-judgmental. I try my best to mind my business. And like, you know what? I don't really know why this person did what they did, but maybe they are going through a rough time. You can pretty much tell me anything and it's just not going to wow me or really surprise me. Except like murder. That's usually a little like, whoa. But other than that, like, you know, I try to be not judgmental. Virgos are, I feel like, unnecessarily judgmental. I'm like, girl, mind your business. Like, dang, y'all be pressed. Virgos, that goes into my next one. They are known for being extremely judgmental, and just like my fellow Leos, they cannot take what they dish out. Like, I can't stress it enough. Because, again, you can be all these things if you can, in turn, suck it back in. Because whatever you put out is going to come back to you, sis. So all that judgment that you're doing, all of that, how you going now be sensitive? I'm like, whoa, bro. They are, I would say, Virgo is one of the most sensitive signs that I know. Actually, truly, I've been around enough of them and they be blowing me. Actually, literally blowing me. Because the sensitivity is just not for me. Alright, so I'm going to go with some eyeliner now. And I'm going to do a cat eye up that area. Oh, we're starting off thick, I see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to lean forward. I'm gonna unfocus because this eye is just very hard for me. Y'all know why. Yeah, but they be blowing me with the sensitivity. Like, y'all can keep that as a whole. Just keep that, honestly, truly, because we don't want it. The coldness, the skeptic beat tendencies and all of that, and the sensitivity, just for me as a whole, I'd be like, oh, on the Virgos. To go in with this super blue, it's so blue. Yeah, let me hurry before it dries. We're gonna make this even more pigmented than it already is. Who better to come through than you know, Juvia's Place. They really be coming through. I'm just going to add a nice little blue line. Oh yeah, that's cute. See, it's just enough. And subtle. It might be hard for you guys to see that far away, but I'll make sure I do some type of like close up. Or you can follow me on Instagram, because I'll definitely have the pics there. Tell me your thoughts on what you think about this. Are you banging with what I have to say or not? Like, are y'all pressed? Okay, but before you comment down below, is what I'm saying hurting you because it's the truth? Or is what I'm saying bothering you because I'm wrong? And then I take like a little tiny smudge brush and add just a little black. Hopefully I don't mess this up. We are not trying to have a black eye out here. I'm not trying to look like I got beat up. So black is just like so easy to look like you got beat up. And that's not what we going for. So I'm gonna add a little intensity to this smoky eye. Oh my gosh, what is happening today? Alright, for my lips, I'm going to do a nudie color with the gloss. Once that mats out completely and dry, I'm going to put a gloss over top of it. But in the meantime, let's get these lashes in order. I think Virgos, as long as they can get out of their petty childish ways and their sensitive ways, they can do a lot. I mean, look at Beyonce, for instance. All that attention to detail, sis be getting it done. And that's what's important. Does anyone else struggle putting on lashes with nails on? Because we gonna see what I can do, but your girl be struggling, just know that. I swear putting on lashes with nails on is like having a set of tweezers, but like I don't use tweezers, so it's stressful. I'm really feeling these lashes. I'm not even sure what style these are in, but I'll put it down below in the description box. It is from my girl Asia. She is out here killing the game. This hair is also from her as well, so make sure you just check it out. She does custom units. Yes, I use hair glue on my lashes. Beat me up. I don't know what to tell y'all. They stay on all night. If I have to cry, they stay on. Like, I just, wow, my lashes are on good for once. Woo, lashes on right. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like my inner corner area to be dramatic, so I'm gonna take it up a little bit. Take it up a little bit. Yeah. Blend it a little bit. Just a little bit. I have pulled through again. I can't believe it. I can, but I can't believe it. Wow. Alright, let me go ahead and change my outfit. So how do you guys feel about this video? Was I right about what I said? How do you feel? Like, let me know down below. Speak your mind. Like, I'm excited to hear if you guys agreed or disagreed with what I say about Virgos. What's your experiences with them? Let me know down below. How did I do with the look? I think that I did like an easy smoky eye. Let me know about what you think about the level of makeup this is. I'm trying my best to do more simple looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.